Welcome to the adventures of Cubs Flip Flops. Thorpe Shark Cabins tour.
Look at the size of that shark.
Look at the shark. We're just gonna go check in, and then we'll show you around, and we'll show you in the shark. Cub, you gone fishing? Why's Cub gone fishing?
Comes the bait.
Where's he gone? Is he gone to catch dinner? You sneaky little monkey. The man said, go into the shark to find your room. Let's go. I've never been in a shark's belly before, have you? Oh, look at all these. The Rocky Express, okay.
Used to be a ride.
Okay, what else can you see? Yeah, what else can you find?
Or the point. That's from the old Selfridge one.
What about this
We were
one?
seated and
What's that one from?
then
What's this one from?
Canyon Street Railway, which is now shut down and demolished.
Oh,
What's that one there?
Octopus shop.
an octopus shop. Is that where you buy your octopuses?
I
Oh.
think
Octopuses? Is that a thing?
all of it. Oh,
Octopi? I don't think it is octopuses. I don't think it is. Loggers Leap.
kind of the tree, storm in a teapot.
Oh, Cubs loving this.
Zodiac. The map.
Lots of little Easter eggs, isn't there, in the shark?
Retro vibes, as if it was. The shark has eaten a lot of signs.
Well, at least he won't eat us then if he's eating off the park. All the little theming bits.
It said ground floor, didn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, what?
So here is where we're stopping. We're sleeping in a shipping container. Can't say I've done this before. So what number are we?
We are this way.
Which way? Oh! Swans. Let's have a look down here. What number are we?
158, right again.
Bit of greenery down there. And a little bit of fuming. Oh, I really hope that there's radiators in there because I'm quite chilly. So just out next to our room we have there's a little coffee place, a little seating area. You can see swarm. That'd be nice in the summer.
The actual restaurant.
Right, come on then. This is our room. We're right on the end. 158. Let's go. Welcome to our shipping container. Oh, it's nice and warm. Do we have some lights? Oh, there we go. So we come on in and we've got, unlike no other, some sharks. Cozy little bed. That's about big enough for me.
I don't think I'll fit
Just about. My feet will fall off the end. Look. Got bunk bed. Oh! Go! We have bunk beds.
Shots.
And hang on. Oh, it's a bit of a tight squeeze.
It's a bit of a squeeze.
We have some storage under here.
Oh, it's so good.
Some drawers.
I'm very impressed. I mean, I knew.
Get towels. My favourite bit. Hey, where's me biscuits? I think it's about the only place I've been that's not got biscuits for me tea.
Did you bring a lemon?
Nope. Right, it's your bathroom.
Stop.
Towel. Ooh. Oh, and a shower. Your toiletries.
I need more lights.
We'll do the job. And that concludes our room tour. Woohoo.
Let's see what shoes are.
You can, and hang on. Ooh! Press the lights. Hold on
That's
1
what I'm
minute.
trying to
Oh, Cub's gonna.
That's what I'm trying to
I'm sure from other people's videos, there's all lights
I can't
around. Hang on, if you wait 1 sec. So what do you think of your cabin?
A shipping container.
Your shipping container. So what do you think? Oh, you've got storage under the beds as well to put like your empty bags and whatnot. Which is, and that one, helpful when you haven't got a lot of room. Oh, hang on.
Oh.
I'll be honest, I don't think we'll be using the top bunk, will we? So.
Oh, hang on. Can you turn the bathroom light off? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
There we go. That's created more room.
Go on then.
They don't control that light from here.
Oh. Oh. Oh, I don't know what lights do what here.
Is that the right one?
No. Go again.
That one.
Right, now turn the bathroom on now.
Oh, God. How do I do that?
I don't know. There's lights switches everywhere. There we go. Ooh, that's cosy.
Oh, how good your phone is picking that up.
There we have it.
Yeah.
There we have the Thorpe Shark shipping container.
What do you think of all?
Watch telly in bed. It's actually really cosy.
It is, isn't it?
I don't know
It's
if
lovely
I'm not.
warm,
I don't like not having a window. Hang on, let's
You can.
put some back lights back. Oh, there we go.
You just move that off there.
Oh, there we go.
And you got a little.
Got a little peephole.
Oh, onto town.
Oh, careful, careful! That's gonna fall off.
I wanted to see.
Counting sharks.
We're chilling from a hard day of.
I wouldn't. I don't think I'd like to fit any more than us in here.
Well,
It's going to be a
nice.
bit of a tight squeeze, isn't it?
I'll just do it.
Sleep.
4.
Sleep's 4. There's only 3 of us, isn't there?
Yeah.
And it's going to be a bit of a tight squeeze. So I probably wouldn't.
I mean, squeeze.
I think
My
if-
chocolate bar's being squeezed.
4 of you in here with all your bags, it'd be a bit tight.
There's lots of storage under the bed.
But yeah, well, no one say lots, but enough to put your bags under
Very average amount.
and a bit there as well.
That's it.
Oh, and you get a bottle of water. And hot chocolate.
There's no door
Right,
stop.
that's all. Like no doorstop. Can't
The door's open.
Can't really show you much more because that's it.
Oh, hang on.
Room tour and we're done.
Room tour done. Shoop. Right, I'm just gonna get some dinner. But before, I can show you the outside of the shark cabins. Look how nice that looks. Before it gets dark. We're going up into the dome for some dinner, aren't we? Don't know what offerings have we got? What do you think?
I think they might have a Hyperia burger when it opens.
I reckon that'd be a good idea. Got the palm trees. Shame it's not sunny because it'd be lovely.
Hey, it's my first time seeing stealth at night.
Is it all lit up?
I don't know. I don't think you can see it on the. Pick it up very well. No, you can't really see it very well.
Yeah, the submarine up there.
Right, let's go and get some dinner. The swarm room, the themed rooms. The swarms. So you get a swarm view from the balcony. What's this one?
Looks 3D.
Whoa, look at that.
I
lost
don't think soon has done a video on this one. I don't think it's
That looks
ready
cool,
yet.
that one. Oh, is that a new one?
Yes, it's
It's a cool door. Oh, there's another one here. That looks cool. Also, at the end of the cabin, you've got a. Oh, I don't look like it's working. I was going to say, you did have an ice cream machine. Maybe it's on in like the summer months, but it's not on at the
I'm on the plug and
moment.
turn it on, but then the ice cream doesn't know.
We will.
Here's the room.
Here's a room. Now we're done. So thanks for watching the Adventure Club Flip Flops from our shipping container at Thorpe Park.
Yeah.
Thorpe Shark.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with more room tours. Maybe not more shipping containers,
We don't know yet. Maybe.
but who knows, unless there's some more we don't know about. Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.
For the love of memories. See you on the next adventure. Bye.
Goodbye.